ఓకే. ఫంక్షన్ నేమ్ రాయి, యాడ్ అని చెప్పేసి.
యా
ఓకే.
result Jitendra.
Yeah.
Result equal to
So this is not a JavaScript. Okay. It's
integer
better to
result.
use result like that variable, but we have to write what data type is, right? Yeah. Okay. If you are not writing a integer, then it won't treat it as a data type or variable. Okay. Okay.
the fourth line తీసేసి fourth line తీసేసి వాల్యూస్ మనం ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ విండోలో ఇస్తాం మనం.
ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఏమంటున్నాను?
అన్న ఇది మనం
ఇప్పుడు దిస్ డాట్ ఏ అని అవసరం లేదు. Okay, because these are written here only. These are written here only. These are not outside.
ఓకే రిజల్ట్ కూడా అంతే కదా.
Hmm.
సిక్స్త్ లైన్ లో ప్రాబ్లం పడుతుంది. ఓకే క్లియర్ అయితే.
Okay. Clear? Now, how you will call this method? Okay. How you will call this?
అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేషన్ డాట్ యాడ్.
Yeah.
Arithmetic. Yeah.
The class
Arithmetic
name.
operations. Bro, O place లో 0 పడినట్టు.
అదే కరెక్ట్ అండి.
ఓ నేనది ఓకే సారీ.
ఆపరేషన్స్ ఎన్ఎస్
యాడ్ ఇన్కరెక్ట్ అంటున్నాను. సమ్ టైప్ అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేషన్. ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్ చేయాలన్నా.
Yeah. Values values అది అడుగుతుంది. So it is asking the parameters. So we have to give the parameters here. If you are not giving the parameters here, then you have to give the parameters here.
Okay.
Okay. So if you are not passing the parameter values, then you have to initialize here. Okay.
Okay.
Debug only.
50 result.
50. Okay. Result got printed. Now, one thing I want to do is I don't want to print it here. What I am saying, I don't want to print it here. I just want to calculate the data, then return it to the anonymous window. Are you getting the point? Hmm?
Once
What, Kalyan? Return it to the
Return it to the calling window. Okay. See here you have written class name dot method name. Okay, class name dot method name. Then pass the class name dot method name. Then pass the values. Okay, 5, 10. You have passed. Now this will call this method. This will call this method. Take these values, do operation. I'm printing here now. I don't want to print it. Whatever the result is calculated now, that result I have to pass back to this place. Okay, then print it here. Getting my point here?
yeah, in this window only, you're saying, Kalyan?
Yeah, in anonymous window I want to print.
Okay.
So call, okay, call from here, then go here, then print it here. Okay. How I can pass the parameters using this one, 5, 10, like integer, this way I can pass the parameters. How I can take back the data? You have to say return. What you have to say?
Return.
Return.
Return result. Okay, return result. Comment this fourth line. Comment. You have to comment this way.
Oh,
Okay. Now, oh, see, one second. Here we have telling void. Okay. Here, Avinash bro. Here you have to see carefully. Here we are selling void. Void
Yeah.
means the method is not returning anything.
Hmm.
Okay. Void means the method is not returning anything. So till now, the method, this method, add method was not returning anything. It was printing there itself. But now what it is returning?
Result.
What is the type of result?
integer.
integer.
Right here, integer. In place of void, you have to tell that this is a add method. This will take 2 parameters and return an integer. Okay.
Okay.
I got the eraser, sir.
No, you can't erase it.
No, sir. My cursor changed to eraser.
Click on right click.
Okay.
Click there. Hmm.
Should I execute, sir?
Yeah. One second. Not like that. So, Avinash bro, now is it clear what you have written? You have written a class. Okay. You have written a class, arithmetic operations. Now in that class, what
Yes.
method you have? Add method. What this add
Add
method will
method.
do? It will not print. It will calculate the whatever the data you have passed as a parameters. It will do some calculations and return the result, return the answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Now our duty is to call this method, to collect the data from this method, then print the data in to and print the data. Okay. Now control E.
Execute.
Now you are calling. Now whatever it is returning, you have to collect it now.
Yes, sir.
So you have to write here before this one equal to, before that equal to integer returned data. So why we are writing integer returned data? Because whatever the answer, no spaces, no spaces. Whatever the answer it is giving, whenever we call this function, that one we are collecting. No, integer space. So now system.debug, return the data.
Return to data.
Hmm. Hmm. No, same system.debug only.
Param,
You'll keep it in the bracket, no? No, bro, no. Listen, how you will print any data?
Okay, sir. I got it. Okay.
Now, Avinash, bro, explain what we are doing here now. Expand this one. Expand this one.
Integer return data.
Return the data. And
Return data, and this is our class name.
so whatever the
The
answer
class name, and
by
that we need to get written.
that we are collecting in one integer, that we are printing it.
Yes.
Should I execute it?
Hmm?
Should I execute it?
Yeah. Debug only. You got 50. But where he got 50 now? Second line. In which second line? In the anonymous window second line, not in the Apex second line. In the Apex class, we haven't written.
Okay, sir.
Hmm?
In this one also.
Huh.
Correct. Both. I mean, both of them are coming in this in that one only, right? Not in this
Yeah.
page.
Same
In log only, right?
same log we will get.
So what's the difference then? I mean,
Yeah.
return for return and
One second.
We got the result on fourth line.
Now,
Hmm.
so we will write the functions. In the function, we will won't do anything. Okay, we want that data, and we will pass the data to another function.
Hmm.
See, once you go to the arithmetic operation. Write another function. Okay, write another function. Same for concept. Write a subtraction function, or let's say write a uh, check function. Check function.
Right.
Okay, check. Now take the data here. Integer, 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 data. Okay. Now inside this function, if data greater than 65, you have to check it. Then print it is greater than 65.
That. 65.
Yeah.
What should it print, sir?
Yeah. System.debug. System.debug. Result is greater than 65. You have to write in a string now. Okay. Now what we will do is, Avinash bro, what we'll do is, we will pass two integers to this add function. Whatever the data we'll get now in the result, that result we will take back. Okay, we'll take back in the anonymous window, and again we will pass that to this function. Okay, so why we are taking this example is, whatever the data we will get in one function can be passed or can be used in another function. That example I want to show. That will be the use of return. Return means a function will do certain calculations. Okay, a certain calculations, then it will uh, pass the data back to another function. Okay.
Okay, okay.
What should I write, sir?
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Now here, here, same. Call this check function.
Check. Add.
How you will call check function directly? Where, in which class it is?
Arithmetic operation.
Uh, okay. Now here You should not pass data. Where is data here? What you should pass? Return the data.
Return the data.
See, Jitendra, what I am telling you all to do is, whatever the data we get from this add function, that we are storing where?
Return the data.
In the return data. Now, that return data we are printing and passing it to another function.
This dot return the data.
Yeah. No, not this one. This is not used here. Okay. This is in the same scope. So, no this one. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Avinash bro, you asked me, right?
Yeah,
What is the
clear,
use of
clear, clear.
return?
Yeah, now I understand. Yes, yes.
Method 1 will do certain
So,
calculation and
so
return certain value. That returned value, I am collecting it somewhere, I am placing it some variable, then I am using it in another function now. If it is not returning, then how
okay.
can I pass that data to this one? We can't, right? A
Yes.
method should return a value, then only we can use that value in another way. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hmm.
ఇక్కడ
Okay.
ఎల్స్ ఎల్స్ వేరేది రాయాలనుకుంటా కదా, రెండు సేమే ఉన్నాయి.
Okay.
Correct. Right on. Thank you.
రాస్తా. ఆ, ఇప్పుడు అది లెస్ దానే వస్తుంది కదా మనకు అవుట్పుట్,
Execute.
బికాస్ 20, 30, 50, సో ఇట్స్ లెస్ దాన్ 65. సో
Result is less than 65.
Okay.
యా.
So once go back to the anonymous window. Anonymous window. Control E. Did we say the value is 50 at any place? No,
No.
right? Return data. This data, where it is coming from, we are passing 2030. The 2030 we are passing to add method of the arithmetic operation that is performing certain operation. Okay, they're returning the data. That returned data I am collecting in one variable, name it as a return data. I can name it anything, result data, return data, whatever I can say. Then that one I am printing just to make a confirmation what is the answer. Then whatever the data is there now, that I am passing to another method called check method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now when I am passing to another method this data, I have never said it is 50. I just said 2030. Some function calculated and returned. That return data I am passing to another function, the another method. Then that method is doing certain operation. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, similarly, I write another. Instead of integer, make a string now. String. Or make it float, double. Write another function. Float means decimal. You know, right? We have seen the basic data types.
Yes, sir.
I'll be back in a minute.
Oh. Mhm.
ఫ్లోట్ యూజ్ చేస్తారా? ఫ్లోటా ఏంటి అసలు? డెసిమలా?
డెసిమల్ రావాలంటే ఫ్లోటే కదా సార్ వాడేది.
మంచిగా ఆలోచించి. What are primitive data types?
ఇంట్, లాంగ్,
Okay. Next.
డబుల్.
Yeah, there is no float. Float, we'll call it as like a floating data type, which is a decimal or double. Okay.
Yeah, no, done.
Okay. So you didn't print the answer?
Sorry. Return dot.
Got the answer?
47.0.
Okay. Now use string, pass a string, and add two strings, and return the added string. Suppose I pass.
Kalyan, whenever we will change the data type, then we need to enter everything again
Which one?
to execute this one. To execute this one.
Yeah. I mean, see the question. I didn't get the question exactly.
Okay. To execute this one,
Mhm.
we can write like arithmetic operations dot sub.
Yes. For you see, the thing is not about data type. The thing is which method you are calling.
Okay.
Suppose I am calling this method.
Okay. Which method?
So arithmetic operations
Okay.
class.
Now the
Name.
class name is arithmetic operations. Yeah.
And we are passing the data.
Uh,
Then we are returning the data.
yes. Yes. Now Jitendra wrote in starting he has changed something, right? I did not understand that one actually.
Now, okay. Just what I done is he copied this everything. He copied this.
Okay.
Then he changed the data type. That's it.
Which
Not here, not here, Kalyan. So once click on Control E, here double return result he wrote here.
Because
is the
What?
another variable now, which we
Okay,
want to store the subtraction 80 minus 33.
okay.
so he is calling
Double
method.
return result.
So he's calling this method. Now that method he is collecting here in the double.
The variable may be different now.
Variable name is
Yeah.
return result.
Okay,
We can give whatever we want.
okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yes, Kalyan, clear.
You have to add the both variables, no?
Yeah. Both variables you have to add. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
హలో జితేందర్,
అవును.
ఇప్పుడు రాసిందేమో స్ట్రింగ్ యాడ్, ఇదేమో జస్ట్ ఇది ఒకటి రాసావా నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు?
ఏది?
మెథడ్ నేమ్ కదా ఇది, మెథడ్ నేమ్ స్ట్రింగ్ యాడ్ అనేది. ఓకే.
ఇది స్ట్రింగ్ డేటా
String
టైప్.
input.
ఓకే, నువ్వు రాయ్ అయిపోయినాక అడుగుతాను నేను మళ్ళీ. ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయి.
లీగల్ అసైన్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఇంటిజర్ టు స్ట్రింగ్.
Crash name same ఉంది. 18th line crash name changes. Method name show. Same add string అన్నట్టు.
ఏం కాదు, వస్తుంది అట్లయినా. స్ట్రింగ్ లో మనం
Same.
store చేస్తాం ఇప్పుడు.
సేమ్ మెథడ్ లైన్ 2 లైన్ 18 సేమ్ మెథడ్.
ఇదే కదా,
ఏదైనా అప్లికేషన్ యాడ్ అట్లా.
అట్లనే రావాలి.
సో అర్థమైందా?
We have to add returned. Illegal.
జితేందర్ మెథడ్ నేమ్ సేమ్ ఉంది. లైన్ 2 లో లైన్ 18 లో మెథడ్ నేమ్ సేమ్ ఉంది. చేసుకోవాలి.
రావాలి. ఓకే.
46 45 46 నెంబర్స్ కదా. నెంబర్స్ ని నువ్వు స్ట్రింగ్స్ లో ఎలా తీసుకుంటుంది అది?
హాయ్ అట్లా.
But how we can add that?
హలో కమా వరల్డ్ ఒకసారి
Null does not exist. We cannot add.
How you will write strings? You people forget. How you will write strings? Hello is a variable or string?
Single comment.
Complete whole thing in a string, right? Hello, then comma, then another string.
Yes, sir.
Do a right click?
Hello, Barker. Yeah, no, completed.
We will have the class tomorrow. Okay.
A small doubt.
Yeah.
Jitendra, once can you open up arithmetic operations? For suppose we are giving integer add, no? And in line 18, if we give int add, string add, can we use same method name for different data types?
Same method name for different data types. Yes, we can give.
Ah.
We can. Method
Yeah.
overriding. We say the concept called method overriding. So name will be same, but the parameters will be different, or the return type. Parameters will be different. Okay.
Yeah.
Then same name, same parameters you can't. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow morning 7:30, Kalyan.
Yes. Please do practice these basic things. Okay. These are just the basics. If you practice this one, we can do some additional things tomorrow morning. And everyone go through that SOQL. Okay. That is very important. Go through that SOQL. We'll practice again. Okay. Tomorrow 7:30 we will meet.
Sure, Kalyan. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, Kalyan.